Minsan na bang sumagi sa mga isip nyo kung paano kumikita ang mga bangko sa pera natin? Ide-deposit mo yung pera mo, gagamitin nila ito, i-invest nila, no? And you get what? 0.01% interest? Tapos, mag-charge pa sila ng fees just to use your own money. That system is broken. At yan ang sinusubukan baguhin ng Plasma One. Plasma One is a next generation neobank built for this decade. Ang maganda sa kanila, you can spend anywhere in the world with zero exchange fees. You can earn 4% cashback every time nagagastos ka. And even keep your balance working for you. With a target of around 10% earnings habang hindi mo ito ginagamit. Pero syempre ito ay nakadepende sa program. What I like about it is how simple it feels. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-setup ng wallet at hindi rin complicated gamitin. Plasma One gives you instant control of your funds move when you do. Kung nakagamit na kayo ng Revolut before, think of this as the next evolution. Borderless, fast, and mas fair siya. Unfortunately, hindi pa live ang kanilang application pero bukas na ang kanilang early access. And marami ng content creators, freelancers, and digital nomads ang nagsasign up. But just remember, this is not a financial advice or any guarantee of returns. Always do your own research at basahing mabuti yung details bago kayo mag-join sa any financial platforms. Nakapag-join na ako sa waitlist and if gusto nyo rin, click the link in my bio.